right, special thanks to this company for sending us their double side roll stunt car. So this one can flip completely over and still like run because of how it's designed. 7-kilometer max speed, 360-degree spins, stop function, 2.4 gigahertz powered, RC controller, stunt car, double side roll. Let's open this up and take a look at it. Exactly what we get in here. Oh yeah. And that's it for the box. So we have a rechargeable battery, which should be for the RC car. So we have a little screwdriver for any maintenance, a little proprietary charging cable for charging the battery that you have to charge, 500 milliamp hours, and then 2 AA batteries. These should be for the controller because the controller is not rechargeable. So here's a little user's guide that'll give you information of how to make sure your controller's synced and working and stuff like that. And then out of this plastic, there's your actual little controller. That's what your screwdriver's for. So you can take that screw out, put your batteries in, and then basically just flip this on and it should connect in to this, which also has a little spot for the batteries. And yeah, you can see there's like wheels all over this thing. So no matter which way it flips, it should still be able to just keep going. Like this thing should be almost indestructible. Looks like lights on the top of each side. Very nice. That should do it for this RC stunt car unboxing. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.